We are coming to the last phase of Davos summit. We had wonderful engagements, probably one of the highest. We had around 60 engagements with global companies here. And Karnataka, as you know, is a futuristic state wherein we are pioneers into many more areas. Our ecosystem developed pre-independence with HAL, BL, BHL, ISRO, Indians of Science, everything, and of course with the IT talent there with our professional colleges, which were pioneers, which led to our homegrown prestigious companies like Infosys, Wipro, and many followed suit after that. Today we have global 400 plus companies out of the 500 global companies having the GCCs, everything. And let me tell you, Karnataka is not just an IT capital. Of course, we are IT capital, but along with we are machine tools capital. We are number one in machine tools. We are number one in electronics, system development management. We are number one with 65% of operating contribution in aerospace and defense coming from Karnataka. And we are the startup capital of India. So, and we are number one in innovation index. And we opened up space today. Three companies came here to talk, 3-4 companies to talk about our space sector, wherein a lot of startups are there. And now in Davos, it's mainly AI, quantum computing, semiconductors, which is being discussed here, and we lead in everything with semiconductor. We have Lam Research there, Applied Materials over there. And in aerospace and defense, we have Airbus, Boeing, Safra, Collins, Thales, Rolls-Royce. Everybody is there in Bangalore. So in Davos, one thing we'll assure, whatever new thing has happened in the past, new breakthroughs in the past, present, or in future, Karnataka will have a major role or a part in it. Yes, we are there. No, that's what data centers, AI. We are leading. If you take data center, the manufacturing, Nidec is in Dawar. They manufacture equipments for data centers, and many data centers we are talking about. We talk about green energy. Our installed capacity is 67% of green energy, whether it's hydel, wind, or solar. So Karnataka is the state to look forward, and we compete globally. We are truly global. Yes, sustainable manufacturing. We have in our very modern industrial policy, we are for sustainability also, we have incentives. We have incentives for women force. We have fund for R&D converting to manufacturing over there, all the GCCs. Gender equity, we have in the policy only. We have special incentives for women force. No, we do not. This time we have decided we are not going to announce any investment commitments. We had engagements, wonderful engagements, but probably the highest any state has done. Maybe 60 plus engagements have been done by me.
And I think that matters more.
That matters, and that's the that people grow. And nearly about 20 engagements were off the normal appointment. They came crashed in for an appointment.